In the video.
Cool. Alright, I'm going to show you how to basically disassemble all your stocks with your clock spring and your angle sensor. So to start, just going to need a little flathead screwdriver. Very gently, there's 3 of these clips along this clock spring that hold it in place. Just want to slightly pry that up and pop that out. There's another one on this side here. And there's one on the bottom. And that separates your clock spring. Next thing you're going to need little 8mm Torx. And basically you just want to focus on all the black screws are the ones you're going to want to take out. So pull them out.
Sponsored by Mountain Dew.
And one more here. That thing pops off on the bottom. You can start pulling off all of these. And there you go, all disassembled.